This is a review of ANNNWZZD Air Tracker. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have. It is working with Apple Find My Device. You can basically locate your important items. Let's check this out. It has a good quality. This is for the black one. It has two air tracker, white and black. And we have the user manual. It is talking about how we're gonna connect it and use it. This is for this one. Let's put this. I'm gonna put the other one also. I will go ahead and connect it to my iPad. We're gonna press plus and then we will press add other item. And don't forget to press this. Now it found it. Let's go ahead and connect it. Enter white air tracker. We can choose an emoji. It is linked to my account. And I'm gonna add the second one also. Add other item. And then press it one time. Now it's active. Let's go ahead and edit. Black air tracker. Finish. Here are some features. You can play the sound. Let's go ahead and play the sound. Now it's playing. And then you can get the directions. You can share the item with your loved ones and they can find it. And there is another option, notify when left behind. You can enable it for yourself. There is also lost mode. You can enable it. I can suggest these products because look at that. It is very I can suggest these products because they are very beautiful and small, you see, and it has so many options you can use. Play sound, you can find the directions with you, add a person, and notify when left behind, and there is lost mode. Basically, you can do anything you want if you lost something. Last time when my daughter's Chromebook is lost, I should have bought this already, but it is already late right now.